The Honda Shadow 600, a classic cruiser with timeless lines. Seniors love it for its low seat height, comfortable ergonomics and bulletproof engine. It is affordable, easy to maintain and glides smoothly, making it a true lifelong companion on the open road. Next, the Yamaha Virago 250. Compact, reliable and light, seniors adore its simple design and forgiving handling. It may not be the fastest, but it wins hearts for its ease of use, low running costs, and ability to keep riding with minimal effort year after year. The Suzuki GN250, often overlooked yet deeply trusted. Its engine is simple yet strong, delivering decades of reliable service. Seniors swear by its comfort, upright posture, and unmatched dependability. It is the quiet hero of countless long rides. Now the Suzuki Boulevard C50. This cruiser blends modern styling with old-school charm. Seniors appreciate its smooth fuel-injected engine and relaxed ride. It feels solid, stable and dependable, perfect for riders who want comfort without complication. Enter the Triumph Rocket 3, a monster on the road with the world's largest production motorcycle engine. Yet seniors love it for the thrill and the authority it commands, smooth torque, endless power, and a ride that proves age is just a number. Of course, the Harley-Davidson Sportster 883, a bike that has carried legends across generations. Seniors love its raw feel, classic design, and the heartbeat of an American V-twin engine. Affordable compared to other Harleys, yet iconic in every detail. Finally, the Kawasaki Vulcan 900, a mid-size cruiser that blends strength, style, and comfort. Seniors trust it for balance, affordability, and the perfect mix between lightweight handling and long-distance capability. It never lets them down. These 7 motorcycles share one thing in common. They are not about hype or flashy marketing. They are about real experiences, lasting comfort and engines that never quit. Seniors know the value of a machine that can stand the test of time. Share in the comments which motorcycle touched your heart. Have you ridden any of these classics, or do you dream of owning one? Your story might inspire another rider who is watching right now. Thank you for being part of this video. Until next time, ride safe, ride proud, and ride with passion. Do not forget to subscribe, because more hidden gems of the motorcycle world are waiting for you here. See you on the next ride.